Most people are using AI completely wrong, and that's why they're not making any money. Right now, people in the US are making $50 to $100 per day using simple AI tools. No coding, no experience. But here's the truth. Most people think making money with AI is complicated. They believe you need coding skills or, you need some advanced knowledge, but that's not true in reality. The people who are making money right now are doing very simple things. They're not building apps. They're not creating anything crazy. They're just using AI to do normal work faster than everyone else. And because of that, they're getting paid more. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple method that anyone can start, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need expensive tools, you don't need a team, and you don't need any experience. All you need is a basic understanding of how AI works and a willingness to try. The method is very simple. Businesses today need content every single day. Emails, captions, ads, scripts. But most business owners don't have the time to do it themselves, and hiring a full-time writer is expensive. So what do? They look for people online who can do this work quickly, and this is where you can use AI to your advantage. Instead of spending hours writing, you can generate content in minutes and then sell it as a service. That's the whole idea. Simple work, done faster. Step one, learn how to use AI to create content. Now, the good part is you don't need any technical skills for this. Most people think AI is complicated, but it's actually very simple to use. You just need to know how to ask the right questions. For example, let's say a small business owner needs content for their Instagram page. Normally, they would spend hours thinking about captions. But with AI, you can just type something like, write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners, and within seconds, AI will generate multiple options. You can also ask AI to improve the tone, make it more professional or more casual, depending on the client's need. And it doesn't stop there. You can use AI to write emails, sales copies, product descriptions, even YouTube script. So instead of learning everything manually, you're using AI as your assistant. Your job is not to do the work from scratch. Your job is to guide the AI. And once you understand this, you can create content very fast. And that's exactly what businesses are paying for. They don't care how you do it. They only care about the result. Step two, find people who are ready to pay for this skill. Now, this is where most beginners make a mistake. They think, I'll learn everything first, then I'll start. But that's the wrong approach. You should start first and learn while doing. Because the truth is, clients don't care if you're a beginner. They care about one thing. Can you solve their problem or not? And platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of these opportunities. Every day, businesses are posting jobs like, need captions for my brand, looking for someone to write emails, need content for social media. These are simple tasks. And with AI, you can do them faster than most people. So what you need to do is create a simple profile. Don't overthink it. Just write clearly what you offer. For example, I help businesses create content using AI tools, then create 2 to 3 simple gigs. Keep your pricing low in the beginning. Why? Because your first goal is not to make a lot of money. Your first goal is to get results. Once you complete your first order and get a review, everything starts changing. More people trust you, more clients message you, and slowly you start building momentum. Also, though, always respond fast to clients. Even if you don't know everything, just be honest and confident. Most people lose clients not because of skill, but because of slow response. And remember this, there are thousands of beginners already doing this and getting paid in dollars. So the opportunity is real. You just need to take action. Step 3. Scale this into a real income. Now, this is where the real game begins. Once you get your first few clients, you'll notice something very important. AI saves you a lot of time. A task that normally takes 2 to 3 hours can now be done in 20 to 30 minutes. And this changes everything, because now you're not limited by time anymore. You can handle more clients without working all day. This is how people increase their income, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Now, here's what you should do next. Start creating a simple system. Save your best prompts. Create templates for common tasks. Organize your workflow. So every time a client gives you work, you don't start from zero. You just reuse and improve. This makes your work faster and more consistent. And as your speed increases, that's your confidence also increases. Now you can take bigger projects, you can charge higher prices, and over time you can even build a small team. For example, you handle clients and someone else helps you with delivery. This is called scaling. You move from doing everything yourself to building a system that works for you. And this is how people go from $5 gigs to $100 per day and even more. The difference is not skill. The difference is how they use AI and how they manage their time. So yeah, that's the reality. Making money with AI is not about being smart, it's about being fast and taking action. Right now, people are using these simple methods to build real income online. And at the same time, most people are still overthinking and doing nothing. So the question is, which one are you going to be? Because at the end of the day, the opportunity is there for everyone, but results only come to those who actually start. You don't need perfect skills. You don't need perfect knowledge. You just need to take the first step and keep going. And if you want to learn more ways to make money with AI, simple methods like this, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting more videos that can actually help you earn online. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.